This is the Ferrari, a handmade F1 car that you can legally drive on the street. The car is entirely made up of spare parts. The engine is from a Kawasaki motorbike and has donor gears and brakes from a Toyota MR2. The creator of this crazy car, Ross Bost, is a self-confessed F1 fan. This car can do 30 miles to the gallon. But this car also holds a few secrets. With a simple untightening of a couple of screws, it holds a secret compartment. Just above the air vent is a cover. Once this is loosened and removed, you have a passenger seat. The Ferrari can reach a speed of 170 miles per hour. So, before we see what this car can do, what do you think of the Ferrari? Please leave a message in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe so you never miss an episode.
Blimey, Charlie. Thanks, Russ. That's fantastic. I mean, it's just so exhilarating, isn't it? The acceleration, the power, the noise, the whole bit. And I think it's great that you can actually share it with someone. You know, you've got that extra seat to take someone out and experience it. Absolutely fantastic.
That's all for this week, but don't forget to subscribe and become part of our classic car community. And if you've enjoyed the Ferrari, why not check out this video?